Here's the thing about making vegetarian feijoada. It's all about taking earthy, soulful flavors and creating magic without relying on meat. Um, Feijoada, originally a Brazilian staple, is traditionally laden with pork, but our twist involves a hearty plant-based approach. The first step to any great vegetarian feijoada is choosing your beans. Black beans are the norm here, packed with nutrients and a solid source of protein. They form the heart of this dish. Rinse and soak them overnight for the best result. And a common pain point, timing that soak perfectly. Um, Aim for at least 8 hours, and you'll have beans that cook evenly while absorbing that irresistible smoky depth you'll later infuse. Pro tip, drain them and start with fresh water for cooking. Next, the quintessential aromatics, chop onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Think of them as the holy trinity of Latin cooking. Saute these in olive oil in a large pot until the onions turn golden. It's your flavor base. Don't rush this step. We'll need some umami oomph in place of meat. Mushrooms and smoked paprika do wonders here. Diced cremini mushrooms, finely, they'll mimic that meaty texture well. Add them to the saute alongside half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now we throw in diced tomatoes, fresh or canned, they'll both work. If using canned, go for no salt. Added control is key when balancing flavors. The acidity helps break down the beans, creating a rich, thick stew. Don't forget the seasonings: bay leaves, salt, pepper, and a dash of cayenne for heat. Let these mingle over low heat. Add the dream beans and cover with vegetable broth. Bring to boil, reduce to simmer for around 5 hours. Here's where patience comes into play. Stir occasionally, checking the texture. The beans should be soft and the liquid reduced to a luscious gravy. Adjust seasoning as you go. And another pro tip, taste and tweak as you'd season a cast iron skillet. And vegetarian feijoada loves company. Serve it with fluffy white rice and collard greens sauteed in garlic. These sides balance the robustness of the feijoada, offering a crisp contrast. Slices of orange, an authentic touch, right in the plate. This dish is a symphony of textures and tastes with that smoked complexity we've creatively incorporated in each step. It's sincere comfort wrapped in the bold, unmistakable embrace of Brazilian warmth. And you can almost hear the samba rhythms. When plating, a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro adds visual pop and freshness, an edible exclamation point to all your hard work. Your guests will love it and unknowingly bask in the hidden veggie's nutritious glory. Whether you're in Portland or anywhere else, enjoy this vegetarian feijoada with friends and family. It's more than a meal, it's an experience. One filled with harmony and flavor that tells a story. Feijoada forever, I say.